Arrive in style with this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 4 SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, not equipped with heated ventilated front seats and off-road suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.